There was a party once, and all the animals came and shared some karaoke of the animals sang different sounds and heard many different sounds, very different sounds. I hear the cow goes moo moo moo. I hear the drake goes ack ack ack. I hear the cow and the drake of the animal fighting and very different sounds. I hear the hen goes bark bark bark. I hear the sheep goes baa baa baa. I hear the hen and the sheep of the animal fighting and very different sounds. I hear the duck goes quack, quack, quack. I hear the turkey. The turkey goes gobble, gobble, gobble. I hear the duck and the turkey of the animal party and very different sounds. I hear the cow crow. The cow goes crow, crow, crow. I hear the chicken. The chicken goes beep, beep, beep. I hear the cackle and the chicken of the animal party and very different sounds. I hear the horse goes neigh, neigh, neigh. I hear the chicken goes quack, 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 quack. I hear the horse and the chicken of the animal party and very different sounds. I hear the goes cackle, cackle, cackle. I hear the goose. The goose goes honk, honk, honk. I hear the kinderful and the goose of the animal party and very different sounds. Yes, very different sounds. I'll find so many animals at the animal party, and all of them sing this song, and all of them sing this song.